Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
The Valsalva maneuver stops hiccups by resetting your diaphragm. Holding your breath and straining increases chest pressure, stimulating the vagus nerve that controls diaphragm spasms. This pressure change interrupts the hiccup cycle. It's a quick, natural way to end hiccups by using your body's own nerve signals.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.